Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this fraction 8 divided by 16 over 16 divided by 8. First we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 8 divided by 16 divided by 16 divided by 8. Now first we solve numerator. Numerator is 8 divided by 16. They give us 1 whole 2. And divide by the denominator is 16 divided by 8. They give us 2. Now we solve it by rule of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So keep first fraction 1 over 2 and change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, so they give us 1 over 2. Now multiply 1 times 1 they give us 1 and 2 times 2 they give us 4. So the final answer is 4. Thanks for watching.